In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to clean and maintain your dehumidifier. Firstly, always make sure the water tank is empty. You may notice there is a light indicator when the tank becomes full. It is recommended to remove the water at the end of each use. If you notice any build-up within the water tank, wash it with warm soapy water to clear the debris. Next, make sure the filters on the dehumidifier are free of dust and debris. This can be done by using a soft vacuum attachment to remove initial debris. Blocked filters can reduce the efficiency of the dehumidifier and make the motor work harder. Check your manual for the specific location of the filters and cleaning guidance. It is important to note, for the most efficient airflow, keep at least 6 to 12 inches of space around the dehumidifier and refrain from placing against furniture or walls. For further help and support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.